Hi everybody, all my followers, welcome to another video. A different video here today. As per the title, I'm gonna replace the hard drive on my Hikvision CCTV system. When I first installed this, I bought it without the hard drive, and is the one. I had the cameras at the time, and then I bought just the one that plugs to IP cameras. And when I bought this recording unit, the only hard drive I had available was a 320 gigabytes, I believe it is, and basically it only records for about 3 days, and obviously after that it starts to overwrite, so I can only go back for about 3 days. It's all I can do, and for a long time I was planning to replace this, because 3 days only is not good enough, and that's what we're gonna do. So a different video here. I just decided to share this with you guys. If you are not interested, just don't watch it. I know there's nothing to do with the cars, but that's what we're gonna do. I have to put here, not much bigger, but is a 640 gigabytes. This hard drive came on, is a used hard drive. I was requested to repair a computer that was pretty much beyond repair. Was not beyond repair, but it was definitely beyond economical repair. It was too expensive to get repaired. So for a small amount, I gave a small amount to the guy, and he sold me the computer, for spares or repairs. And as soon as I've seen that this was a 640 gigabytes hard drive, I knew straight away where I would be putting the hard drive. So that's what we're going to do today. So we're going to log in into the system, and we should be able to see if that comes on. Oh, come on, was already on. Okay, there it is. So we're gonna shut the system off first. I'm not interested on the records in there anyway. So we're gonna shut the system down, then open it and replace the hard drive. Okay, let's gonna shut down the system. And it's now telling me to power off the system, which is what we're gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna power it off just by unplug the power supply. There we go. And now we're gonna take the cover off. Oops. There it is. And as you can see, as I said, is a 320 gigabytes. So we're gonna have double of the capacity. So hopefully I'll be able to record for pretty much a week before it starts to overwrite. So let's gonna take this hard drive off and go from there. This hard drive, oh dear. I'm gonna have to take I couldn't remember how I did this. I'm gonna have to take the thing from the wall, because the hard drive is screwed in from behind. Okay, it's gonna take a little bit. Yes, it is, as you can see. I couldn't remember anymore. You can see, you take these 4 bolts and the hard drive slides out, and then we'll put the next one in. So, this out. Okay, so 320 gigabytes out, 640 in. So let's gonna do this again. And now we just align the holes again at the back and put the new screws back in. I'm not sure exactly what you guys are seeing over there because I can't see the screen of the phone. Now this hard drive has not been formatted. I just took it from the computer and I put it straight to here. I know the hard drive was good because not long before the computer failed, I had that computer here to do something else to it, and I knew for a fact the computer was good. The hard drive was good because I run some tests at that time on the hard drive. So unless something drastically happened in between that time, it should be alright. So okay, right, let's go now. Plug it back in. Little holes in there again. There's one. One there. I need to replace these sticky things here. Right, that's gonna power the system up. Okay, everything connected. It's going to power the system. Okay, that's going to power the system and get the hard drive ready to go. And it's coming on. And as you can see, it's pretty much straightforward. So I'm going to say yes. I'm going to unlock this. Hold on. Just coming in. And one camera is already running. Let's wait for the next. And they are both online and they are both recording by the looks of it. Let's go and have a look at the hard drive. See exactly what's going on in there. Okay, so it's a general, so only one hard drive. Cameras, okay. Yep, all good. There we go, and the hard drive is status is normal, so it's looking good. And it's that simple, guys. You don't need to do much more than that. So the system detects straight away that there's a different hard drive in there, and it formats the hard drive. It sets up the hard drive automatically, and as you can see, there's nothing else you need to do. And gonna put the cover back on, and that's it really. And I should have now double off the capacity. Mrs. is just getting back home, so it's time for me to leave this place before I get shout. Guys, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. There's nothing special really, but I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, any comments about these systems, please, the score button below, and like always, thanks so much for watching.